Dear educators, welcome to Student Alliance community. Now, for people who deal with a lot of vertices-based mathematical equations, which is geometry, I have a surprise for you. Click on your Bytello class, click on your geometry. Now, in geometry, you have an option of using different things, very simple, in case you want to use something like this, where you have a plane, or in case you want to use it vertices, right? So connect the vertexes and tap the finish of the shape. So I create one like this, I create a diagonal, and I create a horizontal. So once this is done, it will show me the different angles that have been made using this combination. I can change the color of the borders to different variations, and I can duplicate it at the same time. So this way, mathematical geometry becomes much more easier on your application. Thank you so much.